And in fact, today we're going to combine two of the letters of our weirdo acronym.
The W for wishes and the O for Ojalá. Hey everyone, and welcome to Anytime Español.
Today we're going to talk about another instance when we use the subjunctive mood, and that's with wishes and hopes.
Remember, we always want to think of the word weirdo.
Exactly, that's our acronym, and it stands for wishes or emotions, impersonal expressions, recommendations, doubt or denial, and Ojalá.
Weirdo. Now, we already have videos on the subjunctive, so you can check out those here or in the description below.
Now, we're not going to go over all of the wishing verbs, but here are the main ones. And these verbs, they trigger the subjunctive because they don't give a certainty or a fact or truth, but rather they express a wish or a hope, a desire that someone does something. And in fact, today we're going to combine two of the letters of our weirdo acronym.
The W for wishes and the O for Ojalá. So our most important wish verbs will be querer, esperar, desear, preferir, necesitar, insistir, y pedir.
And as we mentioned before, we're going to add in Ojalá because it basically means to hope for, or God willing. Now, we also have an entire video dedicated to Ojalá in the present and the past tense. So you can check out that video here.
Now, let's review today's format. If we have the sentence, yo espero que ellos digan la verdad. The format is the subject pronoun plus the wish verb plus que plus a different subject pronoun plus the subjunctive verb plus the rest of the dependent clause.
But remember, even if we have a verb that triggers the subjunctive, if we don't have two different subjects, we're just going to use the infinitive form. So with one subject, like I would say, I hope I can arrive on time. Espero poder llegar a tiempo. But if I have two different subjects, like I and you all, I would say, I hope that you all can arrive on time. Espero que ustedes puedan llegar a tiempo.
Now, let's see today's examples using our list of wish verbs that trigger the subjunctive mood. So, querer means to want. So, how would we say? The comedian wants that the audience laughs out loud. El comediante quiere que el público ría a carcajadas. Another example would be, we want them to order dessert. Nosotros queremos que ellos pidan un postre.
Now, esperar means to hope. So how would we say, you hope the woman helps with the cleaning? Esperas que la señora ayude con la limpieza. So here we're triggering the subjunctive because it's a hope or a desire, a wish that someone does something, but it's not a certainty. So another example would be, Anthony hopes that Mark works at his company. Anthony espera que Mark trabaje en su empresa.
Now, desear means to desire, wish, or to want. You want me to buy a new car. Ustedes desean que yo compre un carro nuevo. Or, I wish the boss would give us a raise. Deseo que el jefe nos dé un aumento de sueldo.
Now, if you guys are getting value from this video, please give us a like and subscribe. It really helps us to continue making this content to improve your Spanish. Okay, now, preferir means to prefer. So how would we say something like, do you prefer that I show the apartment in the morning or in the afternoon? ¿Prefieres que muestre el departamento en la mañana o en la tarde? Or, we prefer that you all go to the train station. Preferimos que ustedes vayan a la estación de tren.
The verb necesitar means to need. So how would we say, I need you to be ready for the competition? Necesito que estés listo para la competencia. He needs you to deliver the documents at 9 in the morning. Él necesita que entregues los documentos a las 9 de la mañana.
Now the verb insistir means to insist. So how would we say, we insist that you have a professional career? Nosotros insistimos que tengas una carrera profesional. Or, I insist that my nephew eats healthy to avoid health problems. Yo insisto que mi sobrino coma saludable para evitar problemas de salud.
Okay, now the verb pedir means to request or to ask for something. The psychologist asks you to do relaxation exercises daily. La psicóloga te pide que hagas ejercicios de relajación diariamente. We ask that you follow the classroom rules. Les pedimos que ustedes sigan las reglas del salón de clases.
So before we finish with Ojalá, we want to announce that we have started a Facebook group for Anytime Espanol community members, which it costs $5 a month for the subscription, and you're going to receive a bunch of exclusive content we won't put anywhere else that has other videos and quizzes and exercises. But most importantly, we'll have kind of one-on-one attention from us, as well as help from the community members as well. So head to the description and sign up for that. Now, let's finish with Ojalá. Now, if you're not familiar with Ojalá, it comes from Arabic, and although it literally translates as God willing, when we use it with the present subjunctive, it translates more to hopefully.
And can either be used as ojalá or ojalá que. For example, hopefully he can find a job. Ojalá que él pueda encontrar un empleo.
Or hopefully you can get this new contract. Ojalá puedas conseguir este nuevo contrato. So we never use the indicative after ojalá. It always triggers the subjunctive. So hopefully my colleagues will deliver the report on Friday. Ojalá que mis colegas entreguen el reporte el viernes.
Hopefully the bank gives me a loan to buy that house. Ojalá que el banco me dé un préstamo para comprar esa casa. We hope this video helped you understand better the subjunctive mood.
Now, click here to watch our other videos on the subjunctive and improve your Spanish. Until next time.